Good day everyone, this is Ivan Ross, your tutor for today's topic, the Newton's divided difference interpolation. Newton's divided difference interpolation. It is the most popular and useful form for expressing an interpolating polynomial. It is the most common method that can be used for polynomial interpolation. But first, we must know what is polynomial interpolation is. It consists of determining the unique nth-order polynomial that fits the n plus 1 data points. Newton's divided difference interpolation means that it can be used for determining an interpolating polynomial. It has three methods: the linear interpolation, quadratic interpolation, and general form for Newton's interpolating polynomials. Linear interpolation is the simplest form for interpolation by connecting two data points with a straight line. The formula in this interpolation is this: f sub 1x equals f x sub o plus f x sub 1 minus f x sub o minus x sub 1 minus x sub o times x minus x sub o, 0. Next is quadratic interpolation. This time, we use a parabola instead of a line. It is an upgraded method for linear interpolation. We must follow this formula to get the f sub x, which f2 sub x equals to b sub o plus b sub 1x minus b sub 1x 0 plus b sub 2 x squared minus b sub 2 x sub o x sub 1 minus b sub 2 x sub 0 minus b sub 2 x sub 1. To simplify this, it must be in this form. f sub 2x equals to a sub o plus a sub 1x minus a sub 2 x squared. To get the f sub o, it must this formula: p sub o minus p sub 1 x sub o plus b sub 2 x minus 1. A sub 1 equals to b sub 1 minus b squared x sub o minus b sub 2 x1. And a sub 2 equals to b2. This another equation is the simplest. We just simplify the first formula to avoid confusion in solving. To get the b sub 2, b sub o, b sub 1, and b sub 2, we must get this formula. b sub o equals to function of x sub o. b sub 1 equals to fx sub 1 minus fx sub o x over x sub 1 minus x sub o. b sub 2 equals to bx sub 2 minus f x sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 minus f x sub 1 minus f x sub o over x sub 1 minus x sub o over x sub 2 minus x sub o. In the B2 is a more complicated type of b sub 1, but this time we use 2b1 to get to b2 in formula form. In the third type of Newton's divided difference interpolation is the general form of Newton's interpolating polynomials. In this general form of Newton's interpolating polynomials, it is the general form where the first two methods emerge. It follows the equation f sub n times x equals to b sub o plus b sub 1 times x sub 1 minus x sub o b sub n x sub o minus x sub o minus x sub 1 and so on. When the given equation is third order polynomial or higher order polynomials, we must find a formula in this, a suitable formula in this given to get the suitable solution. It follows this. Another, for finding b sub o, we just find the function of x sub o. In b sub 1, we must find the function of x sub 1 and x sub o. In finding b sub 2, we must find the function of x sub 2, x sub 1, and x sub 0. B sub n, in general form, b sub n equals to x sub n minus plus x sub n plus 1 minus 1 minus x sub 1 x sub o. In this general form, we find that we must, n is the number of order of the polynomial. To find the function of f x sub 1 and x sub o, we just use this formula. In finding f x sub 1, x sub 2, function of x sub 2, x sub 1, and x sub 0, we must follow this formula. And so on. To elaborate further, let's make an example. We must find the common logarithm of 10 using linear interpolation. Using x sub o as logarithm of 8 and x sub 1 as the logarithm of 12. The logarithm of 8 equals to 0.90039030900. The logarithm of 12 is 1.0791812. We just use this formula to get the estimated logarithm. F of function of 10 equals to 1.0791812 minus 1.930900 over 12 minus 8 times 10 minus 8. The answer in this equation will be subtracted to 0.903,900 as the f x sub 0, and we must add to this f x sub 0 and we get this answer. The answer will be 0.991356. The true relative error will be 0.83644%. Next, in finding the second order interpolating polynomial, Another example in this type is the second order Newton's intermediate polynomial. This time, the given will be the x of O equals 8, x of 1 equals 9, x of 2 equals 11. We just follow the quadratic interpolation formulas to get the estimated logarithm. The function of x of 1, x of O equals to 0.90031. X of 1 equals to 0.99542. Third, x of 2 equals to 1.04139. B sub O equals to the function of x sub 0, which means that 9.3031. B sub 1 equals to, the formula in this is the fx sub 1 minus x sub O over x sub 1 minus x sub 0. 2.9031 over 9 minus 8. The answer will be 0.0051. We already got the answer for this. We just find the answer for this formula, then substitute. First, you must get this. 1.04.9842 equals to over 11 minus 9 equals to 0.00436. Then we substitute to the formula. 0.0436 minus 0.0511 over 11 minus 8 as the parameters. Answer will be 0.0025. Then we substitute in this equation. The answer will be 1.003. The true value of log 10 is 1, which means the true relative error is 0.03%.